Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'm getting ready to make some nachos. I love them. Okay, let me show you the ingredients I'm going to use. I was going to make burgers, but I want some nachos. So these were 99 cents a pound. So this pack of 4 pub burgers from Jewel with $3.96. So we'll turn it into nachos. And that's 2 pounds. Okay. When I was at the store, I wasn't sure if I still had some of my taco mix. So I just bought a pack. And I didn't have any. I used it the last time I fixed tacos. So I'll be using this and some of my Saison. This cheese I'm going to put on my nachos. Spicy nacho Doritos. I've been in it already. Got some shredded lettuce, because I like that. I didn't get tomatoes, but I got salsa and it got all that chopped up stuff in it to put on top of it. And of course my hot peppers, jalapeno peppers. So that's it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to lower this. Big old pot I'm using, even though I'm not going to fill this big old pot up. I smell the meat. Okay, it's fine. I always smell it. I ain't trying to eat no tainted meat. Break the meat up, and then I will be back once the meat is done and drained. Okay, the meat is done. I just got to spoon it out, almost a half a can of grease. Okay, and I just spoon it out. Tilt the skillet and just spoon it out. Okay, cutting this back on. And it's time for the taco seasoning mix. I got her to make me some more taco mix. That's my Saison. Okay, that's good. I guess that was about a tablespoonful. And some water. I'm just going to bring the temperature down. This water is cold. I'm going to use my hydrant water. It ain't fit to drink. It's only fit to bathe in. So let this seasoning absorb into the meat. Walter, can you open this, please? Thank you. Don't be trying to act like you Superman or Hercules. Oh, you can't get it either. Okay.
Okay. I can get it. I can.
You know, okay. Oh my goodness.
I can get it.
Dude. And you are being filmed. Woo, that ugly face. Oh my goodness.
It's under the I can get it.
I'll get it.
I get it.
That means I got to move.
Cheerios.
Oh, your Wheaties. Oh my gosh. Man ain't opened that jar yet.
I don't like this. Don't put all this in that stuff there. I don't need all that.
You ain't getting none. Tell me what to put in my food. Okay, you need to get the door. Get the door. Because I'm cooking, got the stove on. Ooh, I can't open that jar. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, all my company has gone, so I'm back to filming my food. Walter got the lid off of this jar. Look at this jar. Look at the paper.
I can't have none.
Look at all this paper. Look at the label.
Does he claim I can't have any? I did all that work to get it off.
You did all that work to take this up. Okay.
I got it off too.
Okay. I'm warming up my nacho cheese.
Better give me some too.
Man, be quiet. Stir up this nacho cheese mixture.
Tell your people.
I'm so hungry. Let me turn that off now.
I know you eat all the time.
What you say, man?
So I'm looking at you, man.
It was like we had a family reunion here today. What you doing?
I'm trying to fix me.
Wait a minute. You're about to stick me with the fork. That's the wrong one.
He's sticking with the fork. And behind. That's what I see. I see it.
Okay, I think everything is... Oh yeah, I put the seasoning in here. Let me taste this. Oh no, it can stand some more. My hand so I don't put too much. You know what? I'll be back after I plate my food up. It's almost done. Okay, y'all. This is my finished plate. I got shredded lettuce, the spicy nacho Doritos, the hot jalapeno peppers, of course the meat, and some salsa, and the nacho cheese all up in here. So I'm about to get my eat on because I am so hungry. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.